Moving on to external questions. These are those questions जो आपकी book exercise में दिए गए होते हैं और इनके comprehensive answers लिखने होते हैं. First question is, how can people achieve perfection in the moral, spiritual, and social areas of life? Answer is, people can achieve perfection in the moral, spiritual, and social areas of life by following perfect model or sample life of Prophet peace be upon him. People can seek light and guidance from his life, which will lead them towards success in not only this life but in the never-ending life as well. Second question is, how did Rasul peace be upon him set high and noble ideals for all mankind? Answer is, Prophet peace be upon him has set high and noble ideals for all mankind by his practical examples, which are suitable to be followed in every field of life. He has set high and noble ideals by remaining fair, just, and equitable to everyone and in all fields of life. Third question is, how were people of Makkah convinced of the Rasul's justice even before his Nabuwat, means prophethood? Answer to this question is, Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him proved that no one could be more just and equitable than the Rasul of Allah Almighty. As a young trader, he earned the good reputation of being an honest, fair, and just businessman. He always had fair and just dealings with all people. Through prophets, peace be upon him, these acts, people of Makkah were convinced of the Rasul's justice even before his Nabuwat. Fourth question is, what standards of justice did the Rasul, peace be upon him, practice as head of the state of Madina? Answer, as head of the state of Madina, Prophet peace be upon him used to decide all cases on merit, with justice and equity. He used to avoid deciding cases relying on factors like color, creed, or race. In his headship, he remained equal to poor and rich. The laws and rules were applied to poor and rich people equally. Fifth question is, what made non-Muslims bring their suits to the Rasul, peace be upon him? Answer to this question is, Rasul, peace be upon him, was not well known for his justice among Muslims only. Non-Muslims also knew him for his justice prevalence. Prevalence यानी justice के implementation के लिए. This quality of him made Jews, who were his bitter enemies, bring their suits to him, and he decided their cases in accordance with the Jewish law. Sixth question is, how does the Quran describe the personality of the Rasul, peace be upon him? Answer, Prophet's personality is an embodiment of justice. People of all ages can take guidance from his life regarding any fields of life. The Holy Quran mentions, indeed, in the Rasul of Allah, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you have a good example to follow for him who hopes for the meeting with Allah in the last day and remembers Allah much. Thank you. Moving on to reading comprehension exercise. First exercise is analysis of pattern of text organization. इसमें आपको मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं जिसमें आपने एक ऑप्शन को चूज़ करना है और इसके लिए आपको टेक्स्ट को थॉरली रीड करना होगा और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पे ध्यान देना होगा, सीक्वेंस पे कि पहले क्या चीज़ आई है, किस बारे में बात हुई है, बाद में किस बारे में बात हुई है. चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नंबर 1 इज़ इन पैराग्राफ 1 dash details of the Rasul's characteristics are given. So if we go through paragraph 1, we see that specific details of Rasul's characteristics are given. Second is, the key idea of paragraph 2 is that first option is Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him was a great orator. B option is Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him was a just head of the state. C option is Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him was just and fair even before his Nabuwat. So it's C option. Third Question is, examples given in paragraphs 3 and 4 show that A. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was a just head of the state. B. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was a simple man. C. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was fair in his dealings. So it's option A. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was a just head of the state. Thank you.